Motorcycle female officers, Los Angeles, 1927. Barbara Stanwyck by John English, 1940s. A woman charges her electric car in her garage, 1912. Barbara Stanwyck. A woman in motorcycling clothing, France, 1905. And Sheridan, Wings for the Eagle, 1942. Montreal playgrounds were on another level back then, 1950s. Women in 1940-1950s. Lauren Bacall in To Have and Have Not, 1944. Female swimmer posing on the beach. France, 1925. Marlene in Paris, 1938. While reports of cannibalism appeared in the winter of 1941-42, NKVD WW2. Natalie Wood and Robert Wagner in All the Fine Young Cannibals, original 1960. Lauren Bacall in To Have and Have Not, 1944. The Lysenko brothers in the early 1970s. Natalie Wood in All the Fine Young Cannibals, 1960. Parade of German prisoners of war in the streets of Moscow, 1944. (1981) Raquel Welch Original Photo Woman of the Year, Broadway. The defeat was as calamitous as any suffered by the German armed forces during the Second World War. Clark Gable and Ava Gardner on the set of Magambo 1953. Stand to Death, 1944. (1969) Raquel Welch original photo stunning. Alexandra Samasenko was the only female tank officer in the 1st Guards Tank Army, 1943. Newly recruited tank crews training at Fort Knox, 1942. (1963) George Peppard candid Type 1 photo. The victors Rosanna Schiaffino Hamilton.
An infantryman crouches beside a half-track with an M1 Garand. Jacqueline Bisset first time 1969. A construction worker helps build a new power line into the rapidly growing installation. (1973) Jacqueline Bisset, François Truffaut. The W-54, also known as the Mark 54 or B-54, was a tactical nuclear warhead developed in the late 1950s.